Alright, what's going on? Welcome to LOREEN Guitar. We have LOREEN here. LOREEN, perhaps you know about her, the Swedish artist who won the Eurovision Song Contest actually 2 times. So she's talented. This time we have a song called Is It Love? Alright, so we have this melody here. We're gonna play this cool melody, this oriental thing here going on, and we also have that combined with some strumming here. So let's take a look at this song. We use a capo on the 2nd fret. With that, we have the easiest chords possible, and the melody, which is very pretty easier. It's very easy to play if you consider how it sounds. It sounds harder, so that is great. Capo on 2nd. Let's go over the chords. So we will start with E minor. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have the C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We also have the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And this is the 3 chords that builds up the song, the main part. But we also need to throw in 2 other chords, so some parts of it. So that will be first the A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so first we're gonna look at this melody. That's how it starts here in the song. So we're gonna go chord by chord. The chord progression here will be E minor, D, C, and then C, D, E minor. So it kind of goes back again. So starting with E minor, the first part is you're gonna play open E in the bass together with open E top note, then open B, and then 3rd E. So both E's there open, then open B, and 3rd E. Okay, and then we go to the next chord, the D. Here I suggest you hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play like this. So that is open D together with 2nd E, then 2nd G, and 3rd B. The next chord will be C, and the value here for C will be 3. So we only had 1 E minor and 1 D, and now we have C for 2 times. You can understand later when we play the strumming, but it's a little bit longer to see. So this one goes okay. So it will be first the 3rd fret on A string together with open E, and then you play the open G. Then you have a longer pause there. And now we are on our way back, so to speak, C, D, and back to E minor. And the next part of C now still will be after the pause. So that will be 3rd fret on A string still, but now you add the 3rd E. Play that together. And comes the open G and open E. The next chord now will be D, and you play this. Okay, so you play the open D string together with the 2nd E, then 2nd G, and then back to 2nd E. That's it for that D, and then we have the final E minor. You're gonna play simply and the pause. So that is open E string in the bass together with 3rd fret E string top note, and then open B, and then pause. All right, so there you have the melody. I'm gonna take you through this slow, in a slow tempo there, so really hear what's going on with all the pauses and all that. So let's go. Yeah, so you had 2 rounds there. Standard tempo, something like. Alright, so there you have the main part here, the melody. Now we can use a strumming pattern to add up a little bit in intensity here. So, of course, the same chords here, E minor, D, C, stay on C, then D, and then E minor. And one strumming pattern we're going to use for this, we're going to use the same here through the entire song, is down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so grab the E minor, that's the first chord. One round goes like this. Okay, so that is slowly down, down, up, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down. Alright, so you're gonna play E minor 1, D1, and then comes C3. So no pauses here, you just go through the C 3 rounds and then back to D1 and E minor 2. Okay, so E minor 1, D1, C3, D1 and E minor 2. So slowly, something like this. And in standard tempo. So on. All right, so we have just one small thing here to add in as well. Remember, we had 2 more chords in this song here. So when you come to the chorus, you're just gonna play this E minor, D, C, C, D, E minor. But then on the last round there, after I think 3 rounds in the chorus, comes a new chord progression around. Then you're gonna play still the same strumming pattern here, but it's just a little bit different in the chords. You're gonna play E minor 1, D1, and instead of playing C now, you're gonna go to A minor 1 and G1, and then C1, D1, and E minor 2. So E minor 1, D1, A minor 1, G1, C1, D1, and E minor 2. That comes as a final round there after the chorus play. So slowly it goes like this. And there you have the full song here. All you need to handle LOREEN's Is It Love. So a great, cool song here. So give it a try. Until next time, play tuned.